Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making the best raspberry almond scones. These scones have a phenomenal flavor of sweet vanilla and tart raspberries. The texture is moist and tender. They're topped with toasted, thinly sliced almonds. These are scones that I guarantee you're going to love. So let's get started. I'm starting off with a box of yellow cake mix. Now I know this is weird, but this gives the scones an incredibly moist texture and taste. Next goes in a cup of cold butter chopped in cubes, and I'm gonna pulse this in the food processor with 2 cups of flour until the butter breaks down and mixes in with the flour. Next, I'm going to transfer that to a bowl, and in goes a teaspoon of baking powder, and I'm going to crack an egg and mix it with a half a cup of milk. I'm adding this wet mixture to the flour, and now you really have to pay attention and mix this with your hands until it all gets moist. You might have to add a spoonful or 2 more of milk so that the dough is able to stick together when you press it. Be sure not to add too much milk, and don't mix it too much as well, because then the butter is going to melt and your dough is going to be tough. I'm lightly flouring my work surface, and I'm going to add all my mixture and lightly press it together. Then I'm going to divide it into 2 sections and make them into circle shapes. Flatten them out so they're about 1/4 inch thick. And then I'm gonna add my fresh raspberries on top. I'm gently gonna press these raspberries on top, and then I'm taking now the other pressed out circle and placing it right on top of these raspberries. And I'm going to be brushing this with some egg so that when it bakes up, it's going to be nice and shiny and golden brown. It'll also help the sliced almonds that we're topping this off with to nicely stick all over the scone. I'm slicing this with a sharp knife like a pizza, and I'm going to bake this in a 400 degrees Fahrenheit oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. It really depends how big your scones are. These were huge, so I checked them after they rose up in the oven and the bottoms were nicely golden brown. That's when you know they're ready. And that is pretty much it. Your beautiful, delicious scones are ready. I can't wait for you guys to try these out. They are just so rich, soft, flaky, and tender, full of fresh raspberries. People who don't like scones always love these. They're just unbeatable. Pair them with a tall cup of milk or your morning coffee or tea, and these raspberry almond scones will win your heart over. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more of my weekly quick and easy recipes. See you guys next time. Bye.